Good morning, everyone. This short video is regarding an extension of the psychology services that I am starting now. Being a practitioner for the past 20 years in the field of clinical psychology, I've extensively seen clients from all domains and from toddlers to the old age. Now, after 20 years of experience, I thought it is my turn again. I was always fascinated with the teaching. I've done teaching for psychology students, and I have done teaching for the medical students as part of my clinical practice. I have also addressed uh, teachers in the schools regarding life skills training and all that. So now this video is mainly meant for those aspiring psychologists who want help right from their 11th and 12th standard about the classes, regarding the projects, or even those doing their post-graduation in psychology, wanting help in certain subjects or topics that they find difficult to handle, or for that matter for the project work. I am willing to do the guidance on an individual basis. So you can call me or send me a WhatsApp, not call, but send me a WhatsApp on my cell number. I will share in the description box, and then write briefly about your status, whether you are a student or what is your position and what kind of help you need, and then we'll fix up a call time for the call, and then we can take from there on. So not only the students, but those institutes where they are preparing students for the entrance exams, where IIT or NEET or MSET or any other coaching centers where the stress levels of the students are very high, and you feel that direct motivational kind of meetings with the students as a group meetings directly in your institute, or online also, whatever your requirement is, you can approach me. Kindly WhatsApp to the phone number that I have given in the description box, and then we'll fix up the meeting, and then we'll look at the details. Based on that, we'll carry on forward. For the students, mainly the classes are only online, unless whether you can take it as individual classes for yourself, or you can form into groups, classmates, a couple of you 5, 6 or 10, or based on, you can make up the group, and then based on that we can fix up the timings for your classes and project work. So I hope this new services will be helpful and will be utilized by those who are in requirement. So this is the purpose of this video. Thank you. Looking forward.